Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this vacuum sealer for jars. Now in the box, it comes with a lot of really neat stuff. First of all, they've got the labels that you can put on the jars, which as somebody that cans a lot of stuff, labels are always really nice. Then you have 5 wide mouth lids and 5 regular mouth lids. You actually have a jar opener, which is really nice. It's got a nice little keychain, and you've got your charging cord. Now the actual sealer that is in here, you can use for a wide mouth or a regular mouth. It has this little adapter piece that just comes off for the regular mouth, and then this one is your wide mouth. It's just a 1-button touch operation. So I'm gonna bring you in here and we are gonna vacuum seal up these grapes in my jar. So here's the sealer up close. You've got your charging port right here, and you've got your power button right there. Now this can seal up to 195 jars all in a row, and it's a 1800 milliamp hour battery. So when you turn it on, you instantly see that count up, and then this is doing its work. I'm gonna turn that off so you can see the battery level that's right there as well. So then to use that, you get your jars all prepped. We're gonna take one of their lids that they've provided, completely sealed around there, and press that on there. And make sure that that is on the actual jar, nice and tight. And then we'll press our button and we will let it do its sealing. And there we go. It automatically stopped as soon as that vacuum seal was done. Now we can just simply pull this off. And we have our seal on. So grapes are not coming out. There's no movement in there. Like, I can't pull this off even when I'm trying. So that is a nice, easy to use vacuum seal. Then whenever you're ready to open it back up, you can always open it right back up with your nice little opener. Get into your container. This is a nice little jar sealer that works for a variety of different jars.